Hello, welcome to a new video from Clever Diecast Cars. A new Diecast Diorama Show is waiting for you with some beautiful model cars and trucks. And get ready for an exciting tow truck operation featuring an orange car. A green Volkswagen police car is parked on the grassy area next to a house. This is a German police car. An orange car with black rims is being towed by a tow truck. Has it had an accident, or is it just broken down? A yellow American school bus needs to be moved to a different parking spot. What do you think? Is the tow truck a Hot Wheels or a Matchbox? Fun fact, Hot Wheels was introduced in 1968 by Mattel and quickly became one of the most iconic diecast brands in the world. The first models were made with a simple but durable design, and their popularity exploded with the introduction of redline wheels in the early 70s. Next, we see a yellow Mercedes A-Class with very nice black and yellow rims. Did you know that in a miniature city at 1/64th scale, every detail, from the tiny street signs to the small houses and vehicles, must be carefully planned to create a realistic and functioning cityscape? In my diorama from Clever Diecast Cars, I've paid close attention to every detail to build a lively miniature world. Every vehicle, building, and even the smallest elements contribute to making the diorama not only look realistic but also feel like a real, functioning town. A silver sports car zooms by, looking sleek and fast. Oh, there's also a black sports car being towed. Why is it being towed? Did it have an accident? Now, let's take our German police car and park it somewhere else. And here we have a Porsche with golden rims. It looks fantastic. Now it's time to drive the school bus to its next parking spot. I hope you enjoyed this new Diorama Show video from Clever Diecast Cars. I look forward to having you with us in the next video. Like the video if you enjoyed it.